Daikin Pure Air. Air quality is threatened by many substances, including fine particles known as PM 2.5. That's where the innovative Daikin Streamer Air Purifier comes into play. Daikin ensures cleaner, healthier, and purer air. Enjoy every breath you take. Daikin Streamer Technology.
But today I will be telling you most of the things air condition, the number one brand we have here, which is Daikin. However, some of the features the air condition have that makes the air condition exceptional in some of the things that other air condition does not really have. But in this air condition, even if you Google it on your phone, you will see that it is number one best selling in the whole world. So I think you've seen the name, Daikin air condition. Here now we have Malaysian model and Indian model, and all of them are Japan. They are all Japan. And here now we also have inverter and also non-inverter air condition. Like this is inverter, we also have non-inverter. The inverter is energy saving. It saves your energy for those who use prepaid meter and as well generator. You understand? Our inverter AC 1 horsepower, ranging for 1 horsepower on a 2.5 kVA generator can pick our 1 horsepower to tell you how effective and how efficient it works. Then our non-inverter air condition, the low voltage we have ranges from 180 upwards for our low voltage AC for the non-inverter. And also it also have an air purifier technology and as well humidifier. Air purifier, what air purifier does is that it purifies the air you receive. You know that when air condition blows you in your house, all what you enjoy is just the cool air and also the cool breeze. But you do not know what the air condition is sending out. So because of that, Daikin, they all what they care about is human health. They care about human health. So that's why they added the purifier technology, air purifier technology, in order to boost the air you are taking. So the air condition sent away purifies the air and sends it away in order for human beings to have a good health. And also the humidifier takes away smell. So there are some houses that have some kind of smell. So the technology it has inside the humidifier helps in taking away the smell. So when the smell is being taken away, it gives you a normal, cool and nice scent. I have R32 gas, which is ozone layer 0 depletion. Does not deplete ozone layer. This is another thing to tell you that we care about human health and also environment. So with this, I believe you are convinced enough to know some of the features Daikin air condition have. So with this, we also want you to rush down to number 20 Transformation Port Harcourt, Panasar showroom to pick any of these air conditions. Thank you.